Hi. ERE IRE ORE URE EARE OURE ERE and URE can have the pronunciation
er, 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 er.
Note that there is a very subtle difference between the two, but not very obvious. Blending sounds. Her, ever, term, after, mother, never, number, under, summer, fur, sir, girl, bird, birth, shirt, dirty, skirt, whirl, word, work, worm, world, doctor, color, actor, mirror, comfort, fur, spur, blur, slur, turn, burn, incur, blurt, murmur, earn, earl, yearn, earth, herd, early, pearl, learn, search, journey, journal, humor, color, glamour, clamor, were, closure, leisure, treasure. The T has the
Ch.
sound when combined with URE. Chur, culture, future, nature, mature, picture, mixture, lecture, gesture, feature. Good job. Bye.